Look, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos lately that says things like starting on YouTube is a brilliant idea even if no one watches. But is it really? I've spent over a year growing my YouTube channel, and let me tell you, it's been full of ups and downs. So in today's video, I want to give you the real truth of what it takes to grow on YouTube, when it's actually worth starting a YouTube channel, and when it's not. And so first, I'd like to tackle the harsh reality of growing a channel. So the first thing that I want to mention is that YouTube is a big time investment. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, you need to be willing to invest several hours a week into your growth. Because creating videos takes a lot of time, especially in the beginning when you're not used to the entire process yet. From planning to scripting to editing your videos, which is super tedious, all of these things take a couple of hours to do. So if you're not ready to commit to that, then starting a YouTube channel might not be the right thing for you. The second thing that I want to talk about is how mentally tough it is when you don't get any views. So a lot of these videos claim that you need to start a YouTube channel even if you don't get any views. And while I understand the motivation and the inspiration behind that, it is super frustrating and honestly demotivating when you spend several hours creating a video just to get no views. Because the truth of the matter is that we are only human. And so when our videos don't get any views, we start to doubt ourselves. We start to contemplate whether we really have what it takes. We start to spiral down. And yes, we even start to wonder, is there something wrong with me? I've been there, and I honestly almost quit YouTube. So you'll actually see a video, I'm going to link it in the description if you're curious to see that, where I talked about how I quit YouTube for 2 months. And if it weren't for my complete dedication and my will to succeed, then I probably wouldn't be on YouTube anymore. And then the third thing that I want to tackle is that if you don't have a niche, you don't have any direction with your channel. Now, I know that a lot of people say that you can start a channel by just posting random things. And in my opinion, that isn't the smartest move when you're first starting on YouTube. Because the problem is that if you can't tell YouTube what your channel is about, and if you don't even know what your channel is about, how is YouTube supposed to recommend your videos to more people to actually watch your videos? And so it is critical for you to decide on a niche before you start. And so to help you with that, I actually do have a separate video that I'm also going to link in the description below that's going to show you exactly how to identify a profitable YouTube niche. All right, so now that I've gone through the bad side of YouTube, let's go to the positive. AKA, when is it actually worth starting a channel? So the first thing kind of relates to an earlier point that I made, and you are ready to start a YouTube channel if you are committed to posting weekly on YouTube. So success on YouTube doesn't come from luck. Instead, it comes from posting, testing, seeing what failed, what didn't fail, looking, how you can improve your things. It comes with a lot of work. So you need to be willing to show up even if your last couple of videos flopped. Because yes, YouTube isn't going to pay you immediately, but it will later if you continue to persevere, if you keep on posting and you eventually get monetized. And so that leads me into the second point of when YouTube is actually a good idea, and that is if you are trying to build a personal brand and a business from YouTube. So in my opinion, again, YouTube is by far the best platform for you to start and grow a personal brand. Now, if you don't know what a personal brand is, it is essentially you. It is you building a brand around yourself, your interests, your passions, your skills. And so again, obviously you do need a niche if you want to do this. So in my case, for example, I am building a personal brand, Shantae Walt, which is this channel, around YouTube growth and content creation. So that is my skill set, and that is what my personal brand is all about. Plus then you obviously get me in the mix as well. So my personality, my passions, all of those things. And so for you, that could be that you are exceptionally good at finances and helping people to save for their retirement. So that could be what you build your personal brand around. It could also be that you're really great at gardening, and so you can build a personal brand around that. But the great thing with personal brands is that in a couple of years' time, let's say you are no longer interested in gardening, you can then shift your personal brand and talk about something else. So it isn't set in stone. You can always change it later. And so as you start building your personal brand and you start to create content surrounding this one topic that your channel is about, you'll start attracting potential customers who you can then later sell digital products to, you can sell services to, you could do affiliate marketing where you promote a different company's product to them. All of these things you could do. Plus, brands could start approaching you and wanting to work with you and have you promote their products on your channel. So as you can see, this then turns your personal brand into an actual business that brings in additional monthly income until it can finally become your full-time income. And the third reason why starting a YouTube channel could be the best idea is if you have an existing business that you would like to grow. So the great thing about YouTube is it is like a 24/7 salesperson. So if you have existing courses, existing services, products, anything like that that you would like to sell, YouTube could be the perfect platform to attract your customers to you. This is especially true if you're creating searchable videos. If you're creating videos that target direct pain points of your customers, then you'll be able to attract leads and sales on autopilot. So if you fall within either one of these three categories, so you're either willing to put in the time to grow your channel, you're wanting to build a personal brand that can turn into a business eventually, or you already have a business and you want to grow it with YouTube, then yes, YouTube is an excellent idea for you. So if you are interested in growing a YouTube business that can bring in consistent monthly income and eventually replace your full-time income, then I do have a free resource that you can download, and it's called the YouTube Business Blueprint. So in this blueprint, I outline the 5 key steps that you can take to turn your channel from a hobby into a business, and so that you can start making money from your channel. So if you're interested in that, then download it in the description below. Now, if you are someone who really wants to start a YouTube channel, but you have no clue what it should be about, remember that I mentioned I do have a video that teaches you about the different profitable niches that you can choose for YouTube. And so if you're interested in watching that video, you can go ahead and watch it right over here. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.